Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Mariah Davidi here, and in today's video I'm going to be getting ready. I'm about to go run some errands. So I wanted to show you guys me doing my makeup. It's been very gloomy for the past couple of days. So I took like 2 days off from not doing my makeup, but I really needed to get my shit together, get myself together and go do what I need to do. So I'm just going to go out with my mom and yeah. So I filmed me doing my makeup, of course, and that's about it. If you want to see how I achieved this baby blue eyeshadow with neutrals, then keep on watching. So for today's foundation concoction, I'm going to be taking chocolate mousse. This is in the old formula in the high coverage cream formulation instead of the luminous matte foundation, formulation. I still have this one. I'm about halfway through this bottle, but I can use this when I get like more tanned. I used to use this. This used to be my shade when I had more discoloration in my skin, but gingerbread is my true shade because my skin has evened out quite a bit and it's still continuing to even out. So, but yeah, I can use this as well. I'm just going to mix it though with Be Perfect's Chroma Cover in the shade N7. I'm just taking my damp sponge and the foundation mixture and applying that all over. So I'm just using Huda Beauty's concealer today in the shade 5.3 Toasted Almond. It's a golden undertone. Powder puff. Dip into the powder, tap off the excess, and then press into my skin. So I'm just taking my Fenty, which I hit pan, my Fenty Beauty powder foundation, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. Micro Smooth powder. I'm going to take the top portion of the Jordana Tisha powder duo in Blondie. I'm going to take my powder puff and I'm going to press it into the powder very lightly. I'm doing this. And I'm going to press that underneath my eye, like in the corner, and lift underneath my eye. I'm just going to blend it out now because I do not want it to be harsh. So I'm just going to contour using Morphe's Cocoa Wow bronzer. For bronzer, I'm going to take Makeup Revolution in the shade Medium. This bronzer is extremely pigmented, so I'm really not using a lot. I'm lightly tapping my brush onto it, and I'm just using the Sephora number 50 brush. So we're just going to bronze up my skin. And I'm using a matte bronzer because my blush is going to be pretty shimmery. It's like a blush highlight, basically. Well, it's a highlighter, but I'm using it as a blush, so it's a blush highlight. And it's a Killawatt highlighter, but I'm using it as a blush today, so we're gonna see. Yes, this is gorgeous. It has a bit of like glitter chunks in it, but it's okay. I'm not mad at it. So I'm actually using this palette with another one I'm going to show you guys after, but this is the Ebin New York Secret of Pharaoh eyeshadow palette in Golden Empire, and I took Nefertiti and I put that on my crease first. That's my first color, and it's just a really dark brown. Desert, which is this like lighter brown, and I'm going to blend that on the outskirts of Nefertiti just to fade in the brown. Oris, I think it's Oris Iris Osir, I don't know how I'm saying that. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. This matte black eyeshadow is so good. There's already a dent in it. Looks if I need a black, and the palette doesn't have a black, but this black eyeshadow is so nice. I'm just gonna take a bit of it and deepen up my crease. So I'm gonna take the black and I'm going to pop that on the outskirts of my eye. A little bit of Desert. I was gonna do Nefertiti, but I'd rather do Desert. We're gonna pop that beside the black. Not a lot, just a little bit. Taking the Beauty Bay Midnight palette. This palette is huge. Right? And I'm gonna take Mist. I'm gonna take Foam and Mist. Foam is really, really, really pale grayish blue. Right? And I'm gonna pop that first right in this corner here. This is so pretty. Then I'm gonna take Mist just on the other side of the brush and I'm gonna put that right beside it. Now I'm gonna take my ABH liner. I'm gonna do this liner first and I'm just going to do my top liner. So we're gonna be applying Naomi lashes from Bomb Extensions today. I'm gonna do that off camera. And as the glue is drying though, I'm gonna show you guys my lips. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with Peaches and Cream Hotline lip liner. Then we're gonna take Sephora's liquid lipstick cream stain in number 33. We're gonna pop that in the center. LA Girls, this is an eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it on my lips and it's medium brown and we're gonna rim the outskirts to add dimension. Then to top everything off, we're gonna do a Stella lip gloss from ABH, which has like pink and like blue and like different colored sparkles. It's very pretty. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of clear. So this is the final look. I think it turned out really beautiful. Been loving the pops of color. I did lavender, I've done mint, now I'm doing blue, and I have 3 more shades that I will be doing neutrals but with a pop of color. So stay tuned for those looks, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you guys in the next one.